Instagram is a wonderful platform where you get to post all of your photo stuff. However, there is one major drawback, and that is that you cannot post through PC. However, you can. Side note before we start the video, this is specifically for Chrome users on the PC, so if you do not use Chrome, you're going to need to use another application like BlueStacks or something like that. So yeah, Chrome users, if you don't use Chrome, this video is no use to you. You may as well turn off now. First things first, head on over to Instagram and go to any of their pages. Hit those three dots on the top right, hover over More Tools and click Developer Tools. This screen may seem a little bit scary, but there is something very important to learn. You're only going to be using one button from this, so you don't need to worry about any of the other mumbo jumbo, because it makes absolute no sense to me, and I'm not a web developer. So I don't need to know about it, and neither do you. You just need this one little button. So, back to it. All you really gotta do now is just go to the button here at the top left of that little panel, which is called Toggle Device Toolbar. Click that. Refresh the page. To close the tab, simply click the X in the top right corner, and voila! You are now using mobile Instagram on PC. To change it back, click on the Toggle Device Toolbar, or alternatively, just click Ctrl, Shift and M at the same time to toggle the option on and off. The reason that this works is because web developers need to see the mobile side and the desktop side of their website design. And it's kind of difficult to create a website specifically for different platforms if you're not able to toggle in between. So that's one of the reasons why Google Chrome decided to add that option to Chrome, which is a benefit to us because it tricks the computer into thinking it's a mobile platform. So there you have it, Instagram fully functional on your PC, and all you had to do was a few simple clicks, or just Control, Shift and M all at the same time. If you like this video, hit those like and subscribe buttons, and if you want to keep up to date with my videos, then slap that wee bell icon at the bottom. But if you want to be really safe and know when I upload video things, follow me on Twitter, because apparently the YouTube algorithm and things have been a bit funky as of late, so it's not that great. So follow me on Twitter if you want to keep up to date whenever I upload. Thanks very much for watching, have an awesome day, and I'll see you next time. Good luck, guys.